We use words like very tasty, very tired, very afraid, and many more in our daily life. In this video, I will tell you some words that you can use in replacement of these words. So guys, stop using very before every word and improve your vocabulary using these words in your daily life or daily conversation. It will look attractive. So the first word that we use usually is very smelly. Instead of using this, we can use the word pungent. The more herbs you use, the more pungent the sauce will be. Second word is very tasty. You can use delicious in replace of this word. This is delicious with ice cream. Third word is very tired. You can use exhausted in place of this. She was exhausted but couldn't sleep. Fourth word is very afraid. You can say fearful. She was fearful that she would fail. Fifth word is very valuable. Means precious. You are precious to me. Sixth word is very creative. You can use innovative. This is by nature an innovative business. Seventh word is very smooth. In replace to this, you can use sleek. She wore a sleek little black dress. Eighth word is very shiny. You can use gleaming. The house was gleaming with fresh white paint. Ninth word is very cold. Means freezing. It was well below freezing last night. 10th word is very dull. You can use in place of this the word tedious. The job is tedious but the pay is good. 11th word is very competitive. You can use cutthroat in replace to this. Retail sales is a cutthroat business. 12th word is very colorful. Means vibrant. Hong Kong is a vibrant, fascinating city. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you learned something new.